guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my master bathroom. I'm going to be using the same colors and the same color scheme that I used in my bedroom. I'll be bringing in some champagne gold colors, and I bought a candle and a couple of soap dispensers that are from Bath & Body Works. If you're new here, my name is Trisha. I do a lot of home decor, shop with me's. We also have a homestead we do work on, and I also do a lot of gardening. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe and like button. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I'll show you a little clip of the tree in my bedroom and my bedroom decor so you guys can kind of get the feel for all the colors that I'm going to be matching to my bathroom. Here's a little shot of the tree that I did this year that matches my bedding, and I'm also going to bring those same colors into my bathroom. This is a new scent over at Bath & Body Works. It's called Golden Berry Mistletoe. It smells fantastic and the colors look great with my decor. I've also got these two little soap dispensers, and they are also the Golden Berry Mistletoe. I'm really digging this color this year, if you can't tell. So I've got one on each side here. And that's going to be all for my bathroom. I didn't really go overboard. I just kind of added a couple little touches of Christmas in here. I used a lot of my decor that I already had in here, such as my towels and rugs. Just kind of added a little pop of color. Thanks you guys so much for coming along with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was just a quick little video, but I just thought a couple little extra Christmas touches would be perfect for my bathroom. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.